Look what we found in a dumpster. This looks just like the stepping stool that we've needed. So, just need to do a little bit of work, but it'll be good for that. Here, a pair of pliers.
Pliers.
Pliers would help a lot.
Let me see here.
We have to take that section and tighten it up.
Oh yeah, there are little nuts on there.
Yeah, here you go.
Okay.
And that little piece of metal should be in the center, underneath each board. It slides around.
Oh, this one's missing that.
No, it's not. It's just
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
All right. So that one, well, here, I have to borrow that one real quick. Essentially, we want two identical pieces. So we're just going to cut it from that pretty much. And is that in the middle?
This one I kind of got, but we'll put another turn or two on it. Anyway, the other two I can get it off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one's I got. Okay, let's get the next one.
Yeah, that's pretty
Yeah,
interesting.
that's pretty good.
So now just ponder how exactly to do that. So I think, yeah, we can cut the bottom. Let's not bother cutting the top.
Okay.
But,
Well, and this is going to have to be cut the opposite way.
yeah. And, I'll try not to go through here.
Yeah.
You know what? Maybe we should just... Maybe I should charge my battery. But, you know, for the sake of sturdiness, perhaps we should just put like a hard hooker with screws. We can have those on the top, but we can just have one and two.
Just have a solid piece.
Because that was cracking there. It was
Yeah.
cracked there and cracked there. So I just wouldn't trust it that much. Don't put the nail screw on, the nut on just yet, because I need to put this on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's get this out. So give me a little measuring thing, or something like a little measuring stick. Okay?
A measuring thing?
Yeah,
Like a tape measure?
anything that measures. And this will go. Very nice. You know, any imperfections on this, since it's going to be rigid, we'll probably be kicking it around in your super smooth concrete floor in the basement, so let's just abrade it smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just,
We'll see.
that's our logic.
See how it sits. Is it going to be all kitty wampus? Yeah, a little bit, isn't it? So we're picking out a piece of wood?
Yeah, I think this would be good over here. So we have this one piece over that.
Oh, that'll work fine.
Yeah, so cut out some sections of that. And it's a little bit wet, but whatever.
Plenty long.
Yeah, it's just been outside for a little bit. That's kind of away. Oh well. And then over here, on the same thing. Okay, I threw that pen up there. I mean, I'm not too worried about being symmetrical, so.
It'll be real close.
More than enough for me. Okay, so. Obviously, we should put this side outside so when we pressure wash it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that old?
Yeah, it is. Because it originally had 2 boards, and that was just years of just sticking together. So thankfully, we actually did get a really nice tile floor with this.
Push it around here a little bit. Now get it just where you want it.
Okay, before I put the other ones in, let's just make sure. You can always modify it more.
Yeah, I mean, it's, you know, for what it is.
It would just be for me getting up to get tools or whatever, you know? What do you think?
Oh, fuck, I'm completely comfortable on this.
Yeah. It's not that bad.
The top is nice because you got 2 boards. Like,
Yeah.
it's like a platform. You know, it's always going to be a little like that. I mean, after all, it is, I mean, how old?
Well, it's like 1960s.
And it's retro
Yeah.
fitted into its new function.
But I think maybe a little bit of smart engineering, some updating, like maybe go from there to there and there to there, having a
Oh, right,
like an
having a-
X piece, that would
That
really,
would totally stiffen it up, yeah.
yeah. So that immediately already has a use. So I can get the, oh, you know what? Put handles inside. The handles.
Oh, yeah.
Now get the water without it.
Straight down for that valve, yeah.
Sand out.
Yeah.
So go ahead and turn it on. And then that.
Oh, it'd be nice to have a window back. You know how much light that lets in.
I think that's it. I can't think of any other places I missed. You want to come take a look?
Oh, that looks much nicer. It's all warm and shit.
It is warm. Figure we had a bunch of these, what are they called, clay pigeons? Yeah. A bunch of clay pigeons, and they'll be perfect for a little cup. I put some boiled linseed oil on it. It's been a few days. Bill's at work, so I got my mom with me. Yeah, there we go. Keep that one inside the cap. What? It's good to have that inside the cap. Yeah.
It does soak it all up.
Yeah, it does. This is some pretty dry wood. This stuff's from 1902. I found it outside of the Red Rooster in the dumpster. And this is probably 1960s or 1970s. Whatever that building was that's across from Dairy Queen. And if any gets on the floor, I mean, this floor is terrible, so we could definitely use some linseed oil.
Every time I paint, ever since I was a kid, I think of Money Pit. Paint, don't diddle, and don't smoke. Do you remember that? That was whenever.
No, I don't. What do you mean diddle?
That was when.
That only works if you're trying to get into cracks. Yeah. And don't smoke? What's that?
Because he was smoking while the guy was smoking and getting ashes in the.
Oh, okay. As a non-smoker, I just don't even think about that.
Back in the 80s, smoking was kind of like.
People smoked a lot.
All the time.
I remember even whenever, I remember when McDonald's had like ashtrays and stuff.
Yep.
It just sucks it all away. Those are probably going to soak up quite a bit of linseed oil. All those grooves.
Yeah, I'm kind of letting them.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice, the grooves, though. It's very good for traction.
Yeah, especially if your boots are wet.
Yep.
So if I make one, I'm thinking it might be best to make, because that's like kind of double-sided. Just having steps on one side and having the back straight would be good.
Yeah.
Like a wedge-shaped thing.
Yep. If it's up against a wall or up against a cabinet or something.
But I like that slope.
Yeah.
It's like, what, a 30-degree angle?
Yeah.
You know what? Take all these little things and little droplets. I do hold out hope that this floor could be salvaged.
Oh, I think it can be. I think once it's sanded.
I might have to find a few replacement boards is all.
Yeah. Like your dad said, keep the sawdust and use that with the glue to fill in the gaps. And
Right, yeah. Forgot about that. Yeah, I think this like fuzz will come undone whenever we start using it. Little fibers that were ripped up by the pressure washer.
Yep, I agree.
We'll put that outside and let it sit for a week or so. And
Well, however you want. Do you think it's going to rain in the next week or so?
no, I think it'll be fine.
It gets cold at night.
I'm going to use up the rest of this. Just making a square here.
Hopefully he doesn't trip on it and walk on it and trip it in places.
No, I'm going to tell him about it.
Oh.
I'll send him a text. Hey, your living room floor. Try to use some linseed oil. Might smell a bit. He'll be happy. I wouldn't doubt. So the next time I see Bill, he's going to be like, hey, we should probably linseed oil the whole living room floor just so it doesn't look like garbage. Because that does look nice. I started using all those old bottles I keep finding and start putting chemicals in them. Got some acetone. Acetone would be good for cleaning this, right?
Should be.
I think it should be.
I'm not sure what you clean linseed oil with.
So, how's the step stool doing?
There it is. I walked right by that and I didn't even
You
notice
didn't notice?
it. I never noticed that. Because
Well,
I thought you were going to leave it inside. And I'm like looking around. Where the hell did she put it? I thought maybe
Yeah.
you put it in the basement for a minute.
oh well. You know, I just realized I like how when I pressure washed, I didn't pressure wash correctly, and it left those like zebra stripes
Oh yeah.
in the gaps. It's kind of cool. I like
It
that.
looks good, yeah.
Yeah. This step is a bit broken, but oh well.
Well, one of those, remember we couldn't tighten fully?
Well, this one's split down the middle.
Oh,
so.
is it?
Yeah, it's fine. And we might want to tighten it up, you know, because it was wet before. So yeah.
Yeah, we were able to tighten every one of these except that one. I think it was this one.
Yeah, it was a bit rusty.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? This will be great for...
Well, it'd be great for, yeah.
For dealing with the...
It's like the perfect height.
I always make a mess in your house.
No, for a
Now you're tall though, so...
dumpster find.
You're tall though, so...
Perfect.
You know, now
That
you...
takes me right up to the...
Oh, hey, you can wash your beautiful ceiling fan now.
God.
Oh,
I like ceiling fans, but that is the ugliest freaking ceiling fan there has ever been.
if we wait long enough, maybe we can sell it as an antique. But if we end up making a nice stepping stool, we'll probably sell this one because someone might buy that for some like whatever
Either to actually use, but I've seen people like
put plants on
plants
or
on
whatever.
it, yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video about repurposing something from a dumpster, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.